Good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have learnt about the rational numbers and also the operations on rational numbers. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, today we are going to learn about numbers in between rational numbers. Now, see, students, here I am taking one example that will then you will understand that what is the meaning of or what are the number of rational numbers. Now see, suppose 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 7 is given to us. Now what we need to find out, we need to find out the rational numbers between these two rational numbers, that is 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 7. Now what we need to do, we need to make the first of all denominators equal. For that what we need to do, we need to multiply both the numerators and denominators by the one number. Then we'll do that by the 7 will multiply this, so that we will get the 14 at the denominator, that is 7 upon 14. Okay, this is our first number. And 4 upon 7, again we need to multiply it by 2, so that we'll get the 14 at the denominator. Okay, 7 into 2, 4 into 2, that is 8, and 7 into 2, that is 14. Now we'll get the two rational numbers, that is 7 upon 14 and 8 upon 14. Now students, see, as we are increasing the denominators, numerators are also increased. Now here in between 7 upon 14 and 8 upon 14, is there any number? No. So what we need to do, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, so that we will get the another number which is the greater than 7 upon 14 is equal to 7 multiplied by 10 and 14 multiplied by 10. That we will get 70 upon 140. Okay, this number will get 70 upon 40. Same thing with the 8 upon 40, we need to do it. Same thing, we need to make it upon 1 upon 8 upon 14. Okay, now see, same thing, 8 upon 14 is equals to 8 multiplied by 10 and 14 multiplied by 10. What we'll get? We'll get that is 80 upon, we'll get that is 80 upon 140. Now these two numbers we got, that is 80 upon 40 and 70 upon 140. Now what we need to do, we need to find out the numbers between these two numbers, that is 70 upon 140 and 80 upon 140. Okay, now see, after 70 upon 140, which number will come? That is 71 upon 140, isn't it? Which is greater than the 70 upon 140. Now same thing, which number will be there before the 80 upon 140? That is 79 upon 140, which is less than 80 upon 140. Okay, miss, how many numbers are there then? When rational numbers are converted into equivalent fractions with increasingly bigger denominators, more and more rational numbers which lie between them can be expressed. When rational numbers are converted into equivalent fractions with increasingly bigger denominators, more and more rational numbers which lie between them can be expressed. Understood, students? Now I hope you have understood it. Now we'll find out the numbers between the rational numbers with the help of number line. We'll find out the rational numbers between the two rational numbers with the help of number line. See, there are one example is given to us, that is 1 upon 2, 1 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. Now here same thing we need to do, we need to make it into bigger numbers, that is 1 upon 2. We need to make the denominator same, that is 1 multiplied by 5 upon 2 multiplied by 5. What we'll get? We'll get 5 upon 10. Okay, and in case of 3 upon 5, the same thing we need to do, that is 3 multiplied by 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2, that will get 6 upon 10. Okay, now 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10, these two numbers we got here. Okay, now we need to draw this, or we need to write this 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10 on the number line. We need to write it on the number line. Okay, now I'll draw here number line. Now you know that, students, what are the numbers, that is 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. Now in last year, in our integer lesson, we have learned how to express or how to write the numbers on the number line. Now see, if we start it from 0, if we start the number from 0, what we need to do, we need to, suppose here is 0, then here 1, 2 and 10 will be there, because in between the two numbers, means in between 0 and 1, in between 0 and 1, how many how many lines will come, that is 10, because denominator is 10. So how many lines will come, or how many points will come in between 0 and 1, that is 10. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here it is 10. Okay, now what we need to write down? We need to write down 5 upon 10. Now where the 5 upon 10 will come? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here will come 5 upon 10. Okay, this is the 5 upon 10. Okay, this is the 5 upon 10. And where will be the 6 upon 10 will come? 6 upon 10 will come here, that is 6 upon 10. Okay, now what we need to do? We need to find out the numbers between the 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. Now we need to find out the midpoint of the line segment joining these 2 points and see what number it shows. Now see, on the number line there are points showing the numbers 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. Now what we need to do? We need to find the midpoint of the line segment joining these 2 points and see what number it shows. For that, what we need to do? We need to find out the midpoint of the number. See, this is the line. Okay, and we need to find out the midpoint of this line, that is 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. How we'll find out that? We'll see here. Okay, now see, what we need to do? We need to multiply these both the numbers. We need to add these numbers and we need to multiply it by 1 upon 2. Okay, it will come, that is 1 upon 2 multiplied by 6 plus 5, that is 11 upon 10. Okay, now our rational numbers multiplication, you know, 1 into 11, that is 11 upon 20. This is the midpoint of the line segment. This is the midpoint of the line segment. Understood? Because 6 upon 10 minus 11 upon 20, it will come 12 minus 11 upon 20, that is 1 upon 20, and also 11 upon 20. So this is the midpoint of the line segment, that is 11 upon 20. That is 11 upon 20 is the number that lies exactly in the middle of 5 upon 10 and 6 upon 10. It means that 11 upon 20 is a number that lies between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. Understood? I hope you understood it. Now we will going to solve the practice set 23. Now we write 3 rational numbers that lie between the 2 given numbers. Now first see those numbers denominators are same. It is very easy to find out. Now we'll take the second example. We'll take the second example which denominators are not same. That is second example 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Okay, now we need to do it. Now we need to make the first of all denominator same. 4 upon 5 is equals to 4 into 3. We'll make the denominator same, that is 15 will make 5 into 3. That is 4 3s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. This one number will get. In case of 2 upon 3, the same thing we need to do. 2 multiplied by 5 and divided by 3 multiplied by 5. That is 10 upon 15. Now easily you can say which number will lie between that. That is 11 upon 15. Which number will come up between this? That is 10. 11 upon 15 will come in between these two numbers. That is which number will come? That is 11 upon 15 will come in between these two numbers. Understood, students? 3 rational numbers we need to write down. First number is 11 upon 15. Now see. Now easily you can say that 11 upon 15 will come in between these two numbers. But if we'll solve, we need to find out the 3 numbers. We need to find out the 3 numbers which lies between these two numbers. How we'll find out that? That we'll see. See. Now see, 12 upon 15 and 11 upon 15 we have already find out. Okay. Now second question we have started, no, that is 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Then 2 numbers we got, that is 12 upon 15. That is 12 upon 15 we got it. And 10 upon 15. These 2 numbers we got it. Now what we need to do? We need to multiply these 2 numbers again by 2. We need to multiply these 2 numbers again by 2. That will get that 12 multiplied by 2, 15 multiplied by 2. That will get 24 by 30. In case of 10, the same thing. 10 multiplied by 2 and 15 multiplied by 2. That will get 20 upon 30. Okay, now what we need to do? We need to find out the 3 numbers lies between these two. That is 20 upon 30. Then 21 upon 30. Then 22 upon 30. 23 upon 30. And 24 upon 30. Now you got here, see, you got here 3 numbers. This is 1 number, this is second number, and this is third number. These 3 numbers are lies between 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. These 3 numbers are lies between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Now what we need to do? We need to first of all convert the numbers into their equivalent fractions. And then we need to find out the numbers between these 2 rational numbers. I hope you understand it. Now what you need to do? You need to complete the practice set 23 also. If any problem is there, you can ask, no problem. But I think you understood it very well. So no problem. You need to solve the practice set 23 as a homework.